It is a wonderful thing for companies to publicly espouse their values, but it is more telling when you see how those values are lived in their operations. And so I think it's important for us to look to the private sector to not only tell us what they do at the top, but to show us how they live it throughout the people who are the most vulnerable to calling out racial injustice. And so it's doing the intentional work of cultivating and inviting criticism and critique and systematic changes to ensure that you can move from the middle to the top. And then externally, it is what I think MasterCard is doing. And I'm not just saying it because I'm sitting here. It's the external responsibility to invest in those who are working to create social justice, racial justice in real time. It is making those investments not despite the controversy, but because the controversy means it's important and relevant.